okay, I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry.
It hurt.
Sorry.
It probably wouldn't have hurt because it's so small. That's a first.
It is a first. Holy cow, yard selling it. And then I ran you over. What? It broke.
She good.
It's not broke?
No.
Good.
You gotta get enough speed. I'll get you. You gotta get enough speed, buddy.
All right, we're going for it. Yep, go ahead, send her down. Ready?
Nice.
What the frick, dude?
Oh.
What the frick, over?
More shit.
We've already upgraded the Mini Maxx quite a bit. We've added 3S. We've added GPM chassis bash bar. Let's see. Let's show you what else we added under the hood. We added a new servo. This is the Savox SC1267. I believe this is the black edition. So besides being indestructible to this point, I have not broken it. We are running it on 3S. We do have the X01 hybrid diffs in there. We're gonna go ahead and try 2 different diff cases. First one is gonna be this X01 all aluminum front differential case. This will work for the front and the rear. This is part number X0011-GS. And then also, I think this is the one we're going to end up liking more because it is 7075. I'm not sure about the other one. This is the Traxxas E-Revo aluminum 7075 T6 front and rear diff case in green, since the truck is green. Part number ER011N-G. So let's go ahead and we're going to add these parts to it. 6779, 6882X, and 3978. Those are already in the truck. We'll pull those out and show you how they fit. Now guys, we have been bashing this truck really hard. So even though it's not stock, it's actually more heavy, and it should break more, you would think, being bigger system and whatnot, but it's not. So anyways, let's go ahead, open her up, and let me show you guys. Well, let's just show you guys what the gears look like and what the outdrives look like that we installed by GPM. Now you can get a really good look at those GPM outdrives. Look at that. Not quite as pretty as they were when they were brand new. Probably some rocks in there. But let's go ahead and swap. Let's go ahead and swap cases. Currently we have 15K in this front diff. We're going to go ahead and swap that out for 20K. And if we get enough time to do the rear today on this video, we're going to put 10K in the rear. So currently we have 10K in there. Look at that. It's already actually time to rebuild because it's just, you know, it's getting dirty. And it's losing its viscosity, all that good stuff. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and change this out. Let me show you what we have here, what's going back in the truck. Alright, there it is. Check it out. We've got the GPM 7075 aluminum diff case. These are actually for the E-Revo, but you can fit those part numbers 6882X, 3978, and then 6779. There we go. So we got it all built inside, then we're just going to go ahead and fill it up with our 20K oil. Now the only thing different about assembling this back into your truck again will be you need to Loctite the screws holding the ring gear on, and then of course Loctite that right there holding the outdrive. But go ahead, add some CalRC IC lock and check that out. It's going to be super nice. There it is. Got it all Loctited up, assembled back together, bearings on, outdrives on. Super nice. I think this is what we need to go with right here. If you guys are going to be running those parts as I mentioned before, this is the case that you're going to be using. Super nice. Okay, so here's the test. Let's see if they fit back into the truck. Again guys, this is the front diff. Making sure it's spinning freely. We got 20K in there. We re-lubed up the ring gear and everything is spinning freely. Let me show you guys up close. Check it out. Aluminum diff case. Guys, again, this is out of the eRevo. I'm not sure if any other cases will work, but I know this one will work. So upgraded 7075 aluminum cases installed in the Mini Maxx. Check. Check this out. I do have the gears, or the diff cases for the planetary gears, and GPM also makes these planetary gears upgraded in medium carbon steel as well. I actually have those on the way, so we will be installing some of those inside of these on another video. But I did want to show you guys these diff cases for the X01 hybrid diffs, which I think are just going to be a little bit better upgrade, just because the gears are a lot bigger. And you know, I'm not sure. We'll see with the planetary gear, so stay tuned for that. We're going to go ahead, slap this all back together, and then we're going to go run the truck, and then maybe we'll tear the rear apart and we'll install one in the rear too. So just to recap before we go get the truck in the dirt, after we charge the batteries, of course. I'll show you guys that too as well. Have a few people asking me what kind of batteries I've been using in this truck, and one of them fits fine and then the other one doesn't fit fine. I have to add a little extension to the battery setup. But just to recap on what we're using in the truck right now, it's GPM 7075 aluminum diff case, part number ER011N-G. That's the Traxxas eRevo aluminum 7075 diff case. Traxxas part 6882X, Traxxas part 6779, and Traxxas part 3978, I believe. And then you're going to use the stock pinion when you do build these hybrid X01 cases. So let's go ahead, charge up the batteries, get her outside, and take her for a rip. Here is the LiPo we are using. This is the Ovonix Air LiPo battery, 3000 milliamp, 50C, whatever that means. So here we go. Let's do this. Let me show you guys how these fit in there, so you guys can see. Nice and snug. There we go. Turn on the radio. We're actually running Fly Sky in this truck. This is just the original MB4. And we got to figure out a way to strap these down, but hey, we're not going to be doing no major jumping today, so here we go. Oh. shoot, now we gotta get over there. Crap. It needs a little bit thicker oil in the rear. Well, there we have it. Super beefy. Out there running it on the baseball field with all the rocks and grit and grime. Still got some battery life left, so maybe we'll go ahead and run this bad boy on the street a little bit.